Replacing items. You've seen how to add and remove items from a mutable array. What if you need to replace one item with another? Earlier, you saw how to access an item in an array by using its index. Bar, flavors, gets the array of strings, chocolate, vanilla, strawberry, pistachio, rocky road. Let, first flavor, get flavors at the index of 0. Remember, the first item is at index 0. So this is returning chocolate. In Swift, the part of the statement left bracket 0, right bracket, square brackets, is called a subscript. With a mutable array, you can use the subscript to set the value at an existing index, replacing the value that is already there. So on line 17, we have flavors at the index of 0 gets fudge ripple, and let new first flavor get flavors at the index of 0. So when you use this constant, it will return fudge ripple, but we can also check our flavors array. And we see that fudge ripple has now replaced chocolate as that first item. It didn't move chocolate down the list, it replaced it. Experiment. Change the value of pistachio to a flavor of ice cream that's not already used in the array, like mint chocolate chip. Check the results sidebar to make sure you've made the change. So we have index of 0, fudge ripple, index of 1, vanilla, index of 2, strawberry, index of 3 is pistachio, and that's the one we want to replace. So we have flavors at the index of 3 gets mint chocolate chip, and then we check that. So we have fudge ripple, vanilla, strawberry, mint chocolate chip instead of pistachio here at the index of 3. If you try to use an index that's not contained in the array, you will get an error. You can only replace values in a mutable array using subscripts. You can't add or remove things. In the statement below, what's the highest number you can set the subscript to without receiving an error? Why is that the highest number you can use? So I didn't see a statement below at all. So I just threw in flavors at the index of 0, 1, 2, 4, because it's 0, 1, 2, and then 3, 4. And then if I go flavors at the index of 5, that's not on my list because Rocky Road is at the index of 4 and that's the last thing, so I receive index out of range error. So I'm going to comment that out so I stop getting that error. Next, review what you've learned.